Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing a new video on Classic Airplane Wars, where I just made a dramatic intro of me falling into the again. So make sure to like and subscribe on the video and hit the notification bell icon to get all notifications. And let's continue. This game is called Classic Airplane Wars, so make sure to try it out for yourself.
What do we do?
It is fun. You have these weapons, and you basically have to try and kill other players.
Gosh. What is wrong?
So yeah, I just fell.
You have to kill what?
You have to kill other players and destroy their planes.
It's just for fun.
It's just for fun.
Oh, they're regenning the plane.
They're regenning their plane.
Oh, our plane just regened.
No, what about my plane?
Oh, I'm on red team.
Grappling hook.
Oh, me and Sid are on red team.
You guys are on red team. I'm on blue team.
Oh.
We know.
No.
Shoot it. Bam.
Guys, please, guys, please.
Bam.
No. Oh my god.
Bam, bop, bada, bop, bow. Die.
Die. What?
Haha.
How did you kill me? I'm not be playing that well because I got hurt. I might not be playing that well because I got hurt on my arm.
It's good to
Guys, I'm glitching.
Nice.
No, look, literally.
Someone just
look at
placed
me.
a bomb and I lost my wings.
Oh
I lost my balls.
no, my balls. Oh god. Oh no! I fell.
No,
Oh my god.
no.
I'm on blue team. You guys are on red team, right?
Yeah.
Oh wait, shoot their engines.
Oh, regenning plane. Regenning your plane.
Wait, no.
I kind of shot your engines.
Wait, your thing is ginormous.
Yes, your plane is ginormous as well. Blow off the top of the airplane.
Hey.
Oh god. Hello,
Hey.
friends.
Hello, welcome back to my Minecraft channel. Today will be.
I love this game.
Oh,
I just murdered Vayu. I just murdered myself.
No, I murdered Vayu.
No, Sid, you're on Vayu's team.
yeah, you're on my team.
Sid murdered
Oh.
me.
Yeah, I murdered.
Shoot their engines. Shoot their
Shoot their
engines.
engines, guys. Shoot their engines. Shoot their engines.
Where's the end? Oh.
We got their entire wing. We got one of their
You
entire
got the
wings.
wing hack. Whoa, what
is happening?
What the frick is happening?
Freaking.
What is going on?
What the frick? What the frick?
What is What in the?
What
in the bob happened to your plane?
What in the bob is happening here?
Wait, guys, that thing is.
What's happening to me? Guys, can you see me just poking out of the plane?
Guys, the thing is so glitchy.
What's happening to me?
Die.
Wait, guys, how is it floating?
Oh my.
I just died.
Why am I floating? Oh. I died.
You dead.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
What is happening to our plane? What is happening to our plane?
What the?
Oh my god.
What
is happening to our plane?
He's
What
here.
is happening to our plane?
Hello, friend. Welcome to my Minecraft channel.
Today will be mining diamonds for stuff. Oh, stupid. I could have placed a bomb.
Did I kill Sid?
Oh, our plane is regen. Our plane is regen.
Yes. Yay.
Oh no, don't you dare bomb our ship. I swear, I will.
Let's bomb the ship.
I will blow you up into little pieces and I will eat you. Bomb.
How can
How
you eat
dare
them?
you? How dare you, you piece of garbage. Ah, V, you want to fight, huh? I'm right here. Come on. Fight.
Oh god.
Let's fight. Oh.
I just killed you.
She?
But I'm right here.
I need to run. Oh god.
I'm right here.
I killed
I'm
myself.
right
Guys, I killed
Bam.
myself. Wait, guys, is our wings destroyed?
Sniper.
You just
Just got
sniped me. This is so fun.
I love this
I just got
game.
obliterated.
Haha.
Bam.
Oh, my plane is regenning. I'm
Destroy
dead.
their plane. Destroy it, I tell you. Destroy it.
I just saw blocks fly into the sky. Hi.
Okay. Push bomb.
Boom!
2 bombs. Bomb.
Someone killed me.
Your plane is getting destroyed.
My
Plane is getting
beautiful,
destroyed.
my butterful plane. My bootyful. Oh my god, what are you doing to me?
What is happening to your plane? Really?
Oh my god, what is happening?
Pew.
Guys, it's stuck.
What the?
Bam.
What the? What is happening? I'm
What
scared.
is happening to your
I'm
plane?
scared.
What do you think about me, huh? What do you think about me, huh?
I'm escaping. Pull me. Bring me. No,
I killed you. Stupid. Oh my.
Haha.
I don't know what happened.
Wait, what happened to our ship?
What happened?
Hello.
What the?
Guys, don't shoot me.
We're coming. Bam. Bam, bop, bada, bop, pow.
I got No, you didn't get me. That was myself. I pulled myself and then you just bombed.
No, I bombed you and you fell.
Yeah.
That's what you get.
My butterfly. This plane, it's getting obliterated. Oh my god, I just survived.
Our plane is regenerating.
Oh, we have a new plane! Shoot their engines, people!
No, shoot their
Wait, where
engines.
is the engines?
Shoot their balls.
Shoot their balls.
Sid. Bam. Oh my god.
I did that.
We blew our own captain deck.
I got their 2 other engines. Your plane is exploding. Hello for you. You just died. You just died.
Poor me.
I see Sid.
What is happening?
Sid,
to
you're
our
dead.
plane? What is happening? I guess I should just.
I killed Sid. I killed Sid.
Bam.
Guys, it's stuck.
Nice.
Wait, our plane is still
you're
I
tilting.
just died. I was so dumb.
You're dumb.
Help, our plane is tilting.
Bam. I got the.
What happened to your plane?
What is happening to our plane? Okay.
What? Who just obliterated us? Was that Sid?
Was that Sid?
No, I don't think that was Sid. Our plane, it's regenning.
Get their engines.
Boom, boom.
I got one of their engines. Get their
But
engines.
guys,
Sid.
but look, guys, our plane. Ah!
What is?
Haha.
One of your wings fell off.
Wait, guys, Wait, what?
What
Hello,
is happening
friends.
to our plane?
Oh god.
Bam.
Oh god.
Oh. What is happening to our plane? But at least we have one arm. Unlike you. Bam. I gotta escape the plane. Gotta escape the plane. Go.
See someone. City boy, where are you, Sid?
I'm in your plane.
Oh, what just happened to your plane?
I'm on your
Obliterated.
plane. I'm on your plane.
I'm in your plane.
Someone just obliterated me.
Bam, bop, bada, bop, and pow.
Grappling hook. Go. Grappling hook.
Graplong hut.
Hello,
What
boy.
happened to our thing?
There go you. No, please, please.
I just killed you. You're just hanging there. Hello.
Hanging in these nuts in your mouth.
Hanging these nuts in your mouth.
Stupid. You stupid.
Wait, guys, is this
I just
it?
killed Sid.
Killed Sid.
I just killed Sid with an explosion.
What a mature. Bam, bop, bada, bop, and pow.
Hi, Sid. Hi, Sid. I see you. Oh, but I said you got obliterated.
God, what is
I
happening?
got
Oh, our plane just
obliterated.
got regened.
Hit their engines.
Yay!
We're getting our engines, guys. Getting our balls.
Obliterate our captaincy.
Sid, why would you place a bomb?
So I can shoot their team. So I can shoot their team.
I got all your engines.
Wait, no, I lost an arm.
That was right there.
That was so funny.
You stupid.
You stupid.
Well, you don't even have both of your wings. Demo. Oh, he's right here. He's right here.
I just got it.
I bombed you.
Okay, that's we're gonna end today's video. We hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe on the video and hit the notification bell icon to get all notifications. And we'll see you again next time. Have a great day. Bye.